What is up, you guys? I'm JL with TheWookie Natural, and today my mom is going to show you her product review for Lush.
Okay guys, I'm back, and this is the Lush Shampoo Bar Review. For those who are not familiar with Lush, Lush is a company that is out of Canada, and they started under two other different names, but eventually morphed into what is currently known as Lush. So if you go on their website at lush.com, you'll be able to find all that information out. What they are known for is fair trade, no packaging, reducing of the packaging to protect the environment, using all natural ingredients and so forth and so on. So for those of you who are looking for a product that smells really good and will work well on your hair or your skin or your body, Lush is definitely a good option. They originally, how I became acquainted with Lush was that it was originally in the Macy's, in the ground floor of Macy's. Carol's daughter also started in, well, not started in Macy's, but that's when they became a more well-known brand when they were in Macy's. And so this brand also was in Macy's around the same time, maybe a little bit earlier than Carol's daughter. But basically, the two things that I bought was Honey, I Washed My Hair and Jumping Juniper. And the one that I demonstrated in the video was the Jumping Juniper. And I had already tried Honey, I Washed My Hair. So what I love about those products from Lush is the smell, the aroma is so amazing. What I wash my hair with is a 1.9 ounce shampoo bar. It's a circular bar, and it retails at $11.95 in their store. Also, you can shop online as well. It's supposed to, you can use it for up to 80 washes. I don't think I'll be using it up to 80 washes. I think it'll be less than 80 washes for me because I like to use a lot. I'm heavy-handed. But in the Jumping Juniper, what it's supposed to do is, if they're pardon my dogs, my dog is right here barking at nothing. Don't know why he's barking. He just automatically starts barking. But anyway, the Jumping Juniper has lavender, rosemary, juniper berry oil, and it's designed to deep clean oily hair, dull oily hair, and congested scalp. It's shampoo. It's packaging free. It has lime, lemon to cut through grease and to add shine, and it's to get rid of buildup on your hair. So this is great for those of us who have locks or regular who are loose naturals and want to get rid of the buildup. It's vegan. It's considered vegan, and so I liked it. The only downside is that it seemed to burn my eyes when it got in my eyes.
Okay, I'm in the shower, and I'm going to just let you see how I do it. You're supposed to just use the shampoo bar on your hair, on the roots. So I'm going to go even closer to show you what that looks like. Okay. This one has a lemony smell to it. I forgot what it's called. Oh, I don't want to show too much of my giblets. Okay. I'm going to stop it and come back when I'm fully lathered, but that's what it looks like. Okay, I'm back. The shampoo process was pretty easy. I like the fact the bar, that's the first time I've ever used a shampoo bar, that the bar could hold it in my hand and work it through. So I like that aspect of it as opposed to a liquid that tends to spill all over the shower or whatever. So I like the idea of a bar. I actually bought two. I bought one that's a yellow one and one that's a purple one. And I don't want to mess up the names because I want to be exact and tell you exactly what I bought. The packaging is very simple. You buy things in here. Lush is known for organic, animal-friendly, good to environment type of products. So I wouldn't expect that their packaging would be over the top. It's very simple. When you go into the store, it's very simple. And they have things cut out. It kind of reminds you of Bath and Body Works, how they're set up. And they have the names of things and you can try some products and wash your hands. So in that fact, it reminds me of a Bath and Body Works when you go into their store. They used to be associated with Macy's back in the day, but they have since branched out into their own brand. And Macy's actually has done that with a few other brands like Carol's Daughter, and I can't think of anybody else, but those two brands I definitely know that they have partnered with and then released them, and they have gone on to do bigger and better things. Overall, I would say it's a good shampoo bar. I do realize that I had to get under the water in order to experience a full lather. So when you see me lathering it up, that's not the fullest lather it gets. When you get under the water, you can get more of a lather. So I would definitely say yes for naturals, yes for loose naturals, yes for locks. You can definitely use this on your locks. So far, I don't feel any residue. So it's a thumbs up for me for this Lush. And
now Lush is my favorite brand, one of my favorite brands, because I love how everything smells good, everything works great, and it's worth the money, I promise.
So the other one that I bought was called Honey I Wash My Hair, and it's 1.9 ounces as well, and it has fair trade honey, and honey is a humectant. It draws in moisture. It also had beeswax and citrus essential oil. So it had wild orange oil, bergamot oil that is supposed to clean and shine, and beeswax hydrates and protects, and the citrus essential oil boosts moods. So between those two, I tried them. I was pleased with both the products that I tried, so I would definitely recommend it. Uh, it's a little on the pricey end, but I use it. I go to Lush maybe once or twice a year and treat myself. And me and my daughter like to go in there and treat ourselves. She gets some body products and different things and soap for the body, and I went and got something for the hair. So that is my review. Would I buy this again? It's a thumbs up. Definitely would buy it again. I buy every year. I just decided to try the shampoo bar, which was something new. And that's it. So until next time, stay wookie.